I couldn't believe that compactor when it came out. The speed and productivity is right there with any gas-powered compactor. It's cool.
The 2-speed is excellent. It climbs the hills, it does the job, and it's easy to handle. It's right there with everything that we've used.
I like the function of reverse on it. In tight spots up against the wall, you don't have to drag it. You just push a button and you're out of there. The equipment doesn't work. It does the same job as your gas compactor, and it's a lot more reliable.
Battery power is very easy to use. It's plug and play and it goes when you need it. It's quieter. There's no emissions, which is great.
As your compactor, you always have a battery on standby. We haven't noticed any downtime with having a battery power versus a gas powered. We grade and compacted, I would say, about 2,000 square feet on a half charge of a battery. We didn't even use a full battery. The forged batteries are insane. There's no drop off or weakness point. You don't lose power. But the Milwaukee compactor, it's just push a button, you're going.